This is brown rice and white rice because my mom would just mix both.
She's such a disciplinarian, authoritarian. She has very set ways of doing things in a household.
You must always curl your hand up and like have your knuckle against the knife. Like this is how you're supposed to cut things. If you ever let her catch you cutting like that, she's gonna scream at you because like, you're gonna lose a finger.
Yes.
She would really hate this because of the groove. It's like she can't sufficiently clean it, so she won't use this.
This.
Sometimes it feels like a communist household.
There were 4 of us. Any of us did anything wrong, she would punish all of us. She would grab you by the ankle and turn you upside down and smack you like with a little thin rattan stick. And her rule is let her carry you up and give you 10. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're free to go. If you squirm, she's gonna give you more. She also has a limit on how long you can cry. If you cry some more, I'm gonna hit you some more. So she would hit us until we stop crying.
Well, it's not like life and death because like we are people, we are her children. She won't like murder us, she won't kill us, but
Feel free to lose a few grains of rice. Just be ready to get your head like screamed off by my mom. You're stupid, careless, and incompetent.
Use your brain. Why can't you do anything right? Do I have to tell you everything? Common sense! Use your brain! I'm so busy. You're supposed to help me, not make things worse for me. You're taking too much time. You're taking too much time. I need you to hurry up. I don't have time for this. I don't have time for this. Can't you just do that? Just open it. She would like turn and peel and turn and peel and I can't do that. She's gonna scream at me. Don't scream at me. Nothing. Don't scream at me. Don't scream at me. Don't. Getting there. She would scream my head off because I dropped the stuff. She would scream.
My mom would scream at me for not opening the egg properly.
Don't scream at me, please. Don't scream at me. Don't scream at me.
Even though she's not here, I can just feel it in my head. She's screaming at me.
Then again, I would never say that in her face though. I would never say to my mom like, don't scream at me. I would just like silently accept it.
my mom has infiltrated my life. There are little things that I do that I think about her or think of her as I do them. There are things that I think about her and I feel proud of because like, I'm doing it the way that she taught me to, the way that she would want me to. And there are also things that every time I do it, I feel a little disappointment because it's like, I know that's not the way that she would want it to be done. And because it's my life, I found my way of doing certain things, but I mean, I love her, but this is just a way for me to like break away from her, I guess. That's Simi's mom to you.
I actually think I portioned this right.
Okay, my mom will maybe shut up for a second.